Good morning, welcome to class. So today we're just going to do a short little reset to help energize the body, make us feel a bit more alert and alive. So we're going to start coming to standing in front of the mat. Feet are hip width together. And we're just going to start by tapping through the body. So open up the energy channels. So tapping on your collarbones, just underneath and above. Tapping is going to help to release any lymph, help with our lymphatic drainage. We're going to move over to the under armpit. So you can make a fist with your hand, coming under sort of side of the arm, where the arm connects to the torso and around. Just coming in contact with your body. And then to the other side. You can have eyes open or closed. Maybe a little bend in the knee. And then moving on to the rib cage. Sides of the ribs up high, coming to the middle, upper back, coming down the back. So just moving as it feels good with your tapping. Bending down, tapping through the hips, and then get into the lower back here. Moving through the hips. And then coming down fronts of the legs, all the way down, backs of the legs. Helping to wake up the body, focusing on the backs of the knees now, giving them a good tap. Coming up, the backs of the legs, coming to the inseam of the legs, coming all the way back up, and then let's go down the arm. So the crease of the elbow, other side, and then when you get to the middle, just start shaking, releasing everything with one blocked, flicking through the hands, moving through the legs, making it a bit bigger. Can really help you to close your eyes, so just move as you feel best. There's no right or wrong here, and the beauty of an online practice is you are in your own space, there's no comparison. So just really let go. You make it a bit bigger, flicking through the hands, and then coming to stillness, resting in stillness for a bit. Oof. Just feeling the energy hopefully shooting around your body now. Just noticing how you feel. To finish off, we're just going to do 2 more things here. So twisting from side to side at a bit of a pace. You can lift the opposite heel to help you twist a bit further. And then from here, lifting arms overhead, lifting heels, coming back down. Make it nice and big. Adding a big smile to your face. It's going to really help energize the body. 2 more. Last one as big as you can. Oh, and just resting now in stillness. Feeling the energy, feeling your heartbeat. Opening your eyes, and you are free to continue with the rest of your day. I hope you feel a bit better, a bit more awake, alert, and I'll see you in our next class.